And today we're going to talk about the new studio, and we're gonna go have some lunch together. So we're gonna go ahead and take off and we're gonna enjoy a little lunch. But first I wanna show you the new studio. We're gonna do some live stream. A few people said, hey Brian, can you do some live stream? I'm like, oh, why not? We have a light and a tripod, and we have the trophy area. We're painting it right now. And we have the trophies right here. We have some trophies that go up there, and there's some more over here. We got a few more in plaques. We took all the trophies and stuff down, and we're gonna go ahead and put it all back up. So we're working on the studio, and we're gonna go have some lunch. So why don't you come join us? We're gonna go have some lunch. We're also gonna call the people who follow the channel, we're gonna call you the bees. So welcome, bees, to the channel. You're the bees. We're here at the jetty port, and there's guests arriving in Boracay today. There's lots of people coming to Boracay, and they have the workers here waiting to carry the luggage. So we're just hanging out here in Boracay. And actually, it's Cataglan, and people are arriving today. So they're waiting for the guests. We're gonna go ahead and go over here and check out the entranceway. We're just gonna check this out. It's a sunny day here, and it's really nice. So we're just hanging out here. Hello. This is the entryway. This is where the residents and some of the visitors, they visit and they come through this way. We did a blog about that, so you can go check that out. But this is the entryway, and we have a lot of nice workers right over here, and they're waiting for the guests. There's lots of people coming to the island, and it's a beautiful sunny day today, so it's very good, very good. This is the entryway for the residents and the visitors, and there's another entryway going inside for the guests who check in the hotels, but this is actually for the residents. They go ahead and show their ID, they scan, and then they go ahead and proceed to the boats and buying their tickets. They gotta buy their tickets. So anyways, this is the entryway here. We're just hanging out here at the port today, and there's guests arriving in the vans. About a year ago, we had this huge typhoon, this huge storm, exactly a year ago. December 3rd, and today we have a beautiful sunny day. So what a difference a year makes. And also we had a huge typhoon than Christmas. It was just called Ursula. Called Ursula, and it was very terrible. We got wiped out here. It was really horrible. But this year it looks like we have a sunny day, a sunny month. It's raining a little, but it's actually pretty nice compared to typhoons. So we really enjoy this sunny weather, and people are going to Boracay right now, and they're just going to go ahead and buying their tickets. So we're just hanging out here and just enjoying the day, a sunny day. Welcome back, and we're at the restaurant here. We're gonna go ahead and have some lunch. We're gonna bring you to go have some lunch, so let's go check it out. Let's go. Merry Christmas. Today we're going to have some lunch. We're at Endux, and we're gonna enjoy some lunch together. So here we go. Let's do that one. my favorite dish. It's called burgers. It's a chicken burger and they take forever to cook. So we're just waiting here, actually ready to go to sleep. So hopefully in the next day or two the chicken burger will arrive. Oh, it's ready. The chicken burger. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, Salamat. The great cooks here. I got my chicken burger. It's a sunny day and I got my chicken burger the same day. Very happy. Like I said, we had a typhoon about a year ago and now we have a sunny day and we have 2 chicken burgers. Woo! We're just taking time out right now, having a little lunch, hanging out and enjoying the day. So I hope everything's going well. I know some parts in America, especially in other places in the world, it's snowing. And here it's like 80 degrees and sunny. We have sunshine, no rain. It's the rainy season. The Philippines has like 2 seasons, rainy and sunny, and Christmas. And it's sunny right today.